Hello, I'm Jeffrey Eilender. I'm the managing partner of Schlam, Stone & Dolan. Today I'm going to be talking about a little-known fact, which is what statute of limitation applies when a foreign or non-resident plaintiff brings a lawsuit in state court in New York. Now, those of us who are experienced litigators, or not even so experienced, we all think we know that the statute of limitations is a procedural rule. So it doesn't really matter what substantive law governs a litigation. If there's a lawsuit in New York State Court, we just assume that New York statute of limitations will govern. In fact, that's actually not true. If we look at the C.P.L.R. section 202, it states that for a non-resident plaintiff, the cause of action needs to be brought the shorter of New York's statute of limitations or the place where the cause of action accrued. What a federal court sitting in diversity or a New York State court would have to do is they have to analyze where your claim accrued. And what that typically means is the claim accrues where you suffered the economic harm. So for example, recently was defending a lawsuit in an arbitration governed by New York law. The plaintiff was residing in Pennsylvania, did his banking in Pennsylvania. He was suing for breach of contract and other torts. So the economic harm that he suffered was in Pennsylvania. And as a result, Pennsylvania's shorter statute of limitations governed. And in fact, in Pennsylvania, breach of contract is 4 years and tort actions are generally 2 years, which is shorter than New York's 6-year statute of limitations for fraud or breach of contract. So we were successfully able to bar Pennsylvania's plaintiff's actions as being time barred. And this is something that we probably learned in law school, however many years ago, but this is a rule that many litigators forget. They assume that because a lawsuit's brought in New York statute of limitations is going to govern. That is not necessarily true, and so if you are defending an action by a foreign plaintiff, or if you are representing a foreign plaintiff, you should check, what the statute of limitations is, where that plaintiff resides, or where the financial activity relating to the claim occurred.